GMC Acadia 3.6. I got the tensioner on already. I've been taking this timing and tensioner on 4 or 5 times already. So I'm gonna show you how to put this shaft back into this tensioner. It was off already. We're gonna reset this. Same thing with this primary, and this is the secondary. Alright guys, so if you have a problem of like setting this up, because you've been taking out in and out in the vehicle, so this needs to be pressed in here, so we could put the pin right there, lock it in place, so that we could install this to the vehicle. So quickly set this thing up is you just have to turn this in like that. So if you take this out here, inside in here, see that little pin on the side? That pin will sit right here when it's tension out, and then when it's pre-tension it will sit right here. So that's why you had to spin it. You spin it, push it in, so that it would catch right there. Okay, so that's all the way out, and then we're gonna have to spin it so that this will catch to that pin inside. So it's a little tricky. There you go. Look at that. Got it. Let's compress. Now let's put this in. There's a hole right here for the pin to go in to lock it. See the pin right there? So that means that it's gonna sit like that. So it's gonna go in like this, okay? Careful, don't put your face in front of this thing, because this thing is shot like a bullet. So there's a little bit of tension in there. Make sure it's squared off. I had to grab a vise or a press to press the inside of this thing, because there's a lot of pressure on that thing. So I just used this manual caliper spread pad right here. Press it down all the way, and then put the pin in, lock it in place, and then release the pressure of the press, and then there you go. It's right there. That's how you reset this hydraulic tensioner on your timing chain. Alright, primary tensioner right here, hydraulic tensioner. Let's reset this shaft inside so you can see. So what you do, you're just gonna have to push this this little tabs. There's a pin sticking out inside of this cylinder. That pin will sit right here when you're spinning it. So just grab a rag, rest it, and then spin it. There you go. Alright, it's all in there. You have to like give about a quarter of a turn this one here. So this is stationary, and you have to like from here you have to quarter all the turn all the way to like, so 12 to 9. That's how much this thing will turn to catch that pin. Okay, so put this back in here. So hold in here for the pin to go in. Give a little bit of a press, and then there you go. Pins out means that it's locked. This is ready to go to install on the vehicle. That's it. That's how you reset this tensioner on your GMC Acadia or Traverse 3.6. Alright, so this secondary tensioner right here has been torqued to spec, all the bolts and guides, and then tensioner. We're just gonna pull the pin, and then you hear it snap on this thing. You can hear it snap. There we go. It's tight. When the brakes will build, this will get tighter when it's running. That's it.